Okay, so this is Prozis. Prozis. Very, very cool box. Let's see a little bit. I just woke up. It's very early in the morning. It's 6:30. I'm about to go to a coffee shop, and yeah. Usually I don't use like scissors. I just like open it up. So I mentioned a few days ago that I thought this was in Paris, and I thought it wasn't gonna make it till Monday, but plenty of goods here. Let's start with the first one. We got peanut butter, chocolate smooth. So I want to let you guys know that I got all this stuff ahead of time. Like let's see what else we got. We got whey. A couple whey packets. So do I have? Yeah, it's one whey packet. And then we got a $1 billion protein peanut butter bar, 65 grams. I don't know what this is. They are a Portugal-based company, and they actually have relations with some of the football teams there, which is really awesome. Check it out. Oh my gosh, it's pretty dark. I'm so sorry. My hair is dark. Everything is just dark. I don't know if you can see that. Get a close up later. Yes, we got collagen and magnesium pills. This is for like your skin, and contributes to a reduction of tiredness and fatigue. Oh, I guess. Well, yeah, but it also helps skin. So yeah, there's that. And then another one of the protein bars. Two of the protein bars. I got two of the protein. The dark ones, protein, and then I believe this is, oh yeah, so thank you Prozis for sending me this. There is a link somewhere around with a discount link, and you can get up to 50% off, but most of the things are like 30 and 15%, and I think it's a really great deal so far. And I'm super excited to try all these, so you'll probably be seeing more from me on these throughout the week, so yeah.